So here I created a grammar. So this is an YACC tool. So let's take a grammar.y, which is a file containing desired grammar in YACC format. So whatever the grammar that we are taking, okay, from input stream. So the input stream is consisting of some series of tokens or something like that. So that input stream, from the tokens, we are just taking the grammar in YACC format. Okay, so not only to generate the parse tree, to generate parse tree, we need tokens as well as the grammar also, the productions also you need. So then only you can generate the parse tree. Okay, so this file containing desired grammar in YACC format, that is a grammar.y, so which is in YACC format. So that taking the input YACC grammar, that is the input grammar, it is converted into YACC program. So the output for the YACC program is which is suitable for the compiler. So the program that produces an output which suitable to the C compiler, a source program created by the YACC. So that will be sent to the C compiler. The C compiler will produce an output a.out. Okay, so which is a syntax analyzer. This is a syntax analyzer. So for this syntax analyzer, the input is a series of the tokens generated by the Lex. So with the help of these tokens generated by the Lex plus this grammar, which is already compiled and sent into the sent as an output as a.out. So now the syntax analyzer is already compiled, okay, already converted, and produces a parse tree. Okay, so previously without this YACC tool, suppose if there is no YACC tool, let's take there is no YACC tool here. Okay, if there is no YACC tool, what the syntax analyzer will do, it's just taken the input from the lexical analyzer, tokens taken from the lexical analyzer, and this all operations will be done internally in the syntax analysis only if there is no tool. So it takes time to convert all those things and produces a parse tree. It takes time. But with the help of this YACC tool, it is automatically generating. Just it is calling the program. That's it. Okay, just calling the program, YACC program, and generating the parse tree. So this is an automated tool. So in the same way, Lex is also. So without the Lex, the lexical analyzer will take a source code and it converts into tokens. It takes time. If there is an automated tool like Lex, it automatically converted to the tokens. And here also the parse syntax analyzer is automatically converting the tokens into the parse tree. Okay. So I hope you understand what exactly the YACC tool will do. Okay. Let's see the syntax of this YACC. This is structure of YACC. So just like a Lex tool, this YACC tool is also having the syntax like definition, percentile, and the rules, that is translation rules, and the supplementary code. Okay. So here the definition is nothing but the declaration of tokens, declaration of and the types of values used, on a parser track. Okay, and coming to the rules is nothing but the list of grammar rules. So here in the lexical analyzer, in the YACC tool, we have to talk about the grammar, whereas in the Lex tool you have the rules comes under the regular expression, based on the regular expression. So here the rules is based on the list of grammar rules with the semantic routines, Okay. So this is about the syntax of the YACC tool. So which is used to implement the parser tree, which is an automated tool, implements the parse tree. Let me show you the big picture of the Lex and YACC. So what exactly this Lex and YACC is helpful for generating or implementing the lexical analyzer and the parser. Let's see what these two will do. Let's take the lexer.l. So this is a source program for the lexical, which are a token specification. Token specification will be present here. And let's take the parser. Parser.y, which is a grammar specification. Grammar specification. So these are the two tools which are used to help, which produces a Lex and the YACC tool. So with the help of these tools, the compiler is lexer.c compiler will generate, and parser.c compiler is generated automatically. And here already some compilers will be there, typecheck.c and code generator and other stuff. Finally, you will get your own compiler, my compiler. So if you want to create your compiler, what you need? You need these lexical programs and you need this parser program. Lex tool and the YACC tool. So with the help of this Lex and YACC tool, already the input, whatever the input you are taken, that input will be automatically converted into tokens and the parser tree. Automatically converts the tokens and the parser. It's a grammar, which are helpful for the compiler. Okay, so then you, with the help of all these specifications, you are going to create one new compiler. Thank you.